I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the transmitter matches your TV's output, optical, RCA, or 3.5 mm, because the wrong port means no sound. Once done, plug the transmitter into power and into the matching TV output. Make sure cables are fully seated. You should position the unit within 10 to 30 feet of the TV and turn the TV on. This maximizes signal strength while minimizing interference from metal or other wireless devices. Next, on the TV, choose the external audio output and set audio format to PCM or fixed output so the transmitter receives a clean stream. Then put the transmitter into pairing mode. Its LED will blink, that's your cue. You should also mute or disable the TV speakers to avoid echo. Move your headphones or receiver into pairing mode, bring devices close, and wait for the solid LED or confirmation tone. This means the link is established. Finally, play dialogue-heavy audio and adjust the TV volume to verify clarity and sync. You want consistent sound without delay. If you hear nothing, make sure cables are firmly connected, redo pairing, and confirm TV output is set to the correct port and PCM. If you notice lag, enable any low latency mode on the transmitter or use aptX low latency gear. If issues persist, restart both devices and repair. That resolves most connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.